What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing. One sec, guys. About. I'm gonna do. It's not working. I'll tell you guys, it does it sometimes. True. No. It's just my brother, guys. So say hello. You've probably seen him many times, actually. I'm not gonna do any of those servers. I'm just gonna. My brother, like, nah. Ow. What the heck? What? It's just my brother's friend saying what my YouTube channel is. No! I'm trying to chase a tornado here! You might get thinking, why am I using Titus? It's actually really fast. That's why I'm using it. That's it, guys. Tornado. I don't know where I am. I don't. At Curtain Steak, I do not know where I am. Curtain Steak. R.I.P. Yeah. Put it up. Wait, guys.
Hello?
Hello. Wait, where are you? You're in a video right now. You're in a video. Where are you? Hi there.
Are you in that car?
Yes.
How do you get that?
You get money and then you buy it. Don't wanna hop in? Hop on in, man. Or I'll run you over. You press the door handle.
How do I?
Okay, let's go. You're in the video right now, so haha. Everyone say hi. Wait, one sec. Chaser253.
I'm sorry if I ruined your video. I can leave if you want me to.
No. I would love people to be in my videos. It always gives me more views. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe people hate it, but I do. I love my fans. I love people.
Wait, I'm gonna get out and deploy the thing, okay?
It's not really coming for us right now. You can spawn some pro.
Why is my menu not spawning?
Oh yeah, that's been a bug for a long time now.
Well, it was doing it earlier.
Yeah.
Why isn't it working?
Well, we can, so, wait a second, let me get a picture of you. Real quick.
Wait, how did you spawn that thing then?
Okay, I got a picture. Good.
Wait, can I drive the car? Can I drive it?
No, you can't. Sadly. Oh wait, there can be some on the. There can be people in the back. I didn't even know that.
Get out.
Are you worried?
Ah!
He's in the back seat. Let's go. Oh my god, I fell out again.
Hey, wait up!
No, did you fall out?
Yeah. How did you spawn that car if I can't spawn anything? Who the heck is doing?
You're gonna get it quick. Let's hope we might get picked. I'm not sure. We had to deploy.
Nah, we're fine.
No. Okay, we're going in.
Yo, dude, get out your truck and come get in.
Nah, I'm fine.
Ah!
Get in. I know, we're about to
help.
get in. Okay. I want to move this thing.
My path.
All right, he's gone. I don't know where he went. We're in it. We're officially in it.
It's in my
We lost him. We lost the Lord.
Let me just turn around. I
And
need to
those-
turn around. I need to turn around quick. I need to leave.
Guys,
Yeah, the truck is taking him. The truck is taking him.
It's
Oh my god, I survived. Trust,
Look at
I
it.
survived.
Look at this.
yo guys, how do you buy one of those things?
I've been in here.
How do you buy this pack? How do you buy these? Where do you go to buy them?
I don't spawn probes, guys, because I already have a bunch. Oh, that's me a new tornado.
God,
We're getting out of here.
how do you buy these cars? How
Oh
do you
my
buy
god,
them?
I'm getting money.
How do you buy these cars?
You put a probe down. It's in the tornado, bro.
Let me just.
Buy them. I'm at the thing.
No, bro, I don't want to get in your stupid dummy. I like to do the fashion way.
How do you
The
buy them?
old-fashioned way.
How do you buy them?
You need money for them, stupid.
No,
They're not
where do
free.
you go to get them? Because there's a cage in front of them.
Or you go to dealership. You click on your menu, you go to dealership.
You go to menu, and then go to dealership.
My menu's not working.
All right, good.
I'll be back. I'm gonna leave
You
for
need to
a
get in the map. Yeah, you need to.
We've already, that one's already killed down, basically. I got a new one. My game might crash, yeah. Okay. That happened. Intercept another tornado. Let's go see. What is on Tiv 1? I love Tiv 1. It's very, very good for chasing. Oh, we're already going on the ground.
Today.
Oh, not fast. You see it? I was in here first, bud, though. You're not. I was looking. Looking out the radar, and of course, there's a tornado on the ground, but
Deactivate
let's see.
sirens. And then we go
There's-
boom,
There's 10. Hey, you can activate the sirens? I didn't even know that. Because I never gone over there. What's up, fans? So, we're just gonna intercept this one. Last one, probably. Oh, we might not get it. I'm not sure. Oh, we're not getting this. We might. No! Shit! Deploy. God, no. Well, guys, I think this is it. Well, yeah, so I just gotta like land real quick. Oh, now we're about to land. Oh. Oh. Let's put on my drip. See you guys